Hi, I'm Prasanjit. I'm from Team Chakra. We present to you Peanuts, which is a distributed e-commerce platform with various network participants as sellers and buyers. Now, our idea was to implement a trust layer on top of the ONDC e-commerce layer, but since ONDC network will, for this hackathon at least, we can't get access to the ONDC API. We decided to implement our own distributed network of e-commerce. So let's get started. This is just the website. We have over here some dummy data, obviously. So let's just go to products page, and here we obviously can see these are also dummy data which we got. Obviously we are using Firebase here for storing the data. Now the flow goes around with that, like whenever a seller uploads the product to the database, there's a reference being generated which you can see over here. It is being sent over to IPFS, that is we are using Pinata for that use case, and that particular IPFS hash that has been generated will then be stored onto the Bira chain contract. Now obviously we, as far as functionalities go, we did implement, since having Google Auth would be more user friendly for us. We implemented that because wallets obviously don't make sense over here. Peanuts was inspired by that because we are trying to keep ourselves going from web 2 to web 3. Now we will just sign in over here, and yeah, we get the profile obviously. If I were to go to products page and add some items to cart, and we should be able to see it on the profile page for us, obviously. Yeah, that's how it's working. Obviously the main idea was to enable trust, so we will be seeing that in the demo further. That is through where, like when we are uploading these products, we have these hashes which have to be compared. That is, we are getting that from the manufacturers. We have manufacturers, we have retailers, and the buyers. So now we go into MetaMask, and that's how it is. Now let's go on to the seller application. Here on the seller application, we obviously get we have implemented an API using Fast API. On the seller application, we can add items and delete items. Since there's a time constraint, I'll be just deleting an item, and okay, I'll be just deleting an item and then call it a day. Apart from that, we do have contracts, and we'll just take a quick look on them. So within we have two contracts. That is the product registry, that is where we are generating a product hash, and we also have the register product, which is the main function which will be called from the seller application, wherein it will be storing a IPFS hash. Now if I were to go to seller rating, I just want to have a shared storage, so that any person, any seller who moves to another network, they don't have to start from the get-go again. They'll be just basing their whole reputation based on this particular network. Both of these have been deployed locally onto the Bira chain, and that's about it. Thank you.